let's talk about what is machine learning. So, machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence, which is AI, focused on developing algorithms and techniques that enable computers to learn from the massive amounts of data. Given the increasing rate at which data is produced, machine learning has played a critical role in solving complex problems in recent years. This success was the main driving force behind the funding and development of many excellent machine learning libraries that use data to build predictive models. Furthermore, business have started to realize the potential of machine learning, driving the demand for data scientists and machine learning engineers to new high to design better performing predictive model. So that is the end of this short video about machine learning. So I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you in the next video.